Hello, grade 6. Hope you're fine. Today, we will continue our revision. Our revision will be about adjacent and vertically opposite angle and the bisector. Let's start with what is bisector. Bisector is a segment that cut an angle into two equal parts. We have over here an angle. In the blue is the angle, and the bisector is the line or the segment inside the angle which cut it into two equal parts. It helps us to cut the angle into two equal parts. In A, and we have another A, so the angle A is equal to the other angle A, which is inside the angle blue. Let's start by to draw a bisector using the compass. To draw a bisector using the compass, what is the compass over here? This is the compass. In step 1, in this step, uh, we will open our compass in way that it is less than OA. This is the OA. Our compass must be smaller than the segment OA. Step 2, make a small arc over here. We open the compass smaller than OA, then we make a small arc on OA, which intersect OA at the point C over here, right here. And in step 3, make another arc on OC, which cut OB, which cut OB at D. Then in step 4, put our compass on C or D, then make a small arc from C and a small arc from D. In step 5, make a small arc from D. These two arcs intersect. Over here, these two arcs intersect at E, at point E. Then in step 6, draw the bisector from E to O. This is the bisector from O to E or from E to O. So this segment is the bisector. To draw a bisector using protractor, we have this angle. First of all, we must measure the angle using compass. This angle is equal to 50. Look, teacher, this is 50. So this angle from here to here is equal to 50 degree. What is the bisector? Bisect cut the angle into two equal parts. So 50 divided by 2 is equal to 25. So we put a point in at the 25 over here. Then we draw the segment through 25. So this segment is the bisector. Two angles are adjacent when? Let's start by the adjacent and vertically opposite angle. Two angles are adjacent when we have a common or a same vertex. Same vertex is B, so B is the common vertex. Then when they have a common side, common side. So this angle is adjacent to this angle since we have this common side over here. This is the common side, which is BD. BD is the common side. They lie on the either part of their common side. So we have angle from the right and we have another angle from left. So ABD is adjacent to DBC. ABD and angle CBD are adjacent. Two angles are vertically opposite when we have this picture or this angle. We have angle AOC equal to 35 degree. AOD equal to 145 degree, DOB equal to 35 degree, and COB equal 145 degree. And the vertex is O. Let's start. One, they have the same vertex, so all this angle have the same vertex, which is O. They are prolongated of one another. What is the meaning of prolongated? CO doesn't continue to COA. It continues as a straight line COD. So CO, its prolongated is COD. And the line AO, its prolongation is AOB. So this angle and this angle are vertically opposite, since CO can be continued as a straight line to D. So we have COD a straight line, and AO it continue as a straight line, so we have AOB as a straight line. And the two angles AOC and DOB are vertically opposite, since they have the same vertex O, and they are prolongated to each other. Then we have another angle vertically opposite. We have this angle AOD. When we start from A, we can see the prolongation of A at B. And when we start at D, we can see the prolongation of D to C. So these two angles, AOD, which is equal to 145 degree, its prolongation, or they are vertically opposite to COB. So we have another two angles, AOD and COB. What is the meaning of complementary angles? Complementary angle, it means that we have two adjacent angles and they are equal to 90 degree. So we have over here angle A is equal to 53 degree and angle B is equal to 37 degree. If we add 53 degree to 37 degree, we will get 90 degree. So when we have two angles, its sum is equal to 90 degrees, then these two angles are complementary. What is the meaning of supplementary angles? Supplementary angles add up to 180 degrees. So we have this angle P and the angle Q. They are not adjacent, but if we add P to Q, or the pink to the blue, we will get a straight angle which is equal to 180 degrees. So P and Q are supplementary angle. We say supplementary angle when they are not adjacent. When they are adjacent, we say angle P and Q are adjacent and supplementary angles. Then we have another example when we have uh, an angle which are already adjacent. We have the angle A and the angle B. The sum of A and B is equal to 180 degrees. So we say A and B are supplementary angles and adjacent and supplementary angle. This is the revision. I hope you understand it. Any question, we can help you.